Our most respected Shri Narendra Modi ji, honorable members of the government of Gujarat, the dignitaries on the dais, your excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, and also my most esteemed customers, so many of whom are here today. We in Larsen & Toubro have always, apart from our investments and apart from our various profound activities in the state, have been fortunate to have a more or less at a project management level such a close and inspiring interaction with Sri Narendra Modi ji. One of the events that we all look forward to, apart from the fact that this is such a great event, is that every vibrant Gujarat means that a lot of us, and especially my very hard-working colleagues, get an opportunity to create an iconic monument in this great state. I mean, and Mr. Shri Narendra Modi ji plays the role of a project director with his team, and it's admirable to see his macro and micro combination. I think the vision and the implementation. And this year again, we added one more important phase 2 to this iconic structure. And one of the things that's very inspiring for us is to design and build the type of iconic structures that you all are sitting here today. I mean, this is something that we have that great inspiration from him and his team. And you must see the energy when our boys work and do these in 180 and 200 days and work round the clock on all holidays and get this thing done. Even this phase 2 was just ready a couple of days ago. I think so. We're honored that in fact, when we wanted to move out beyond Bombay and Chennai in the early 80s, purely from the logic, we chose at that time Gujarat, where we decided to move to Hazira for setting up the manufacturing hub expansions and to Vadodara for the technology and the engineering part. And we were fortunate that we have had the continuous inspiration, support, leadership of Shri Narendra Modi ji and his whole team. And last year, he was kind enough to come and inaugurate the new power plant setup that we have created. And since there are a lot of Japanese senior people here, including these excellencies, our setup there is in joint venture with Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, where within 2 years of start, we have already started manufacturing 1,000 megawatts and 600 megawatt steam turbines and generators and boilers for the Indian industry. Sir, this year, which you saw only the foundations, we have built one of the world's foremost heavy forging facilities, right from steel melting to do the nuclear power plant forgings, process plant forgings. And today in Hazira, we have an investment of more than 8,000 crores. But more than the investment, the type of organization that we belong to is engineering and manufacturing and construction. And we are really in the forefront of creating employment of the higher order, of the skilled order. And we have today at Hazira over 5,000 skilled workmen trained from various districts of Gujarat through our 4-year training scheme, and also almost 4,000 engineers between Hazira and Baroda. And one of the attractions of this Gujarat is people from all over India, especially at the engineering level, are very happy to come and settle here. And this has been another very important aspects that gave us this great benefit. I mean, there is a real energy for people to come to Gujarat and build an international organization. As the other important aspect that we have is in the infrastructure space. Again, we have, the Honorable General Motors Chief talked about going in 30 minutes. Again, we have built 700 kilometers of roadways which we, in public-private partnership, just in the space of the last 3 years. Again, thanks to all the right-of-ways and facilities that Sri Narendra Modi ji and his great team of bureaucrats and others who have with him generate. Some time ago, we built the Kane pipeline to build the gas, the heavy oil, all the way from Barmer right up to close to Bogat. So we have been very fortunate, sir, to have had this great opportunity to, we are a national company, we are a barometer of India's strength and economy in the industrial sphere, and we get really very charged because we believe that, I always tell my customers, L&T stands for love and trust. And I think that's the type of love and trust that we get in Gujarat. And we look forward to a continued growth. We have plans in this state with people who have been trained in this state. We have built some of the most complicated equipment for our Jamnagar refinery. Shri Mukesh Bhai is here. And also, we have built it for the world. Almost 50% of what we make in Hazira is exported, right up to the United States and all the developed countries apart from other parts of the world, including China. Our gasifiers have gone all the way to China. So thank you very much, sir, for this opportunity. We see you as an icon. We always feel that a leader and the state or a leader and a company are two sides of a coin. And I think when the two sides are so well matched, it produces a great state. So wish you the very best, hearty congratulations on your election, and we look forward to building more and more of iconic structures for your vibrant Gujarat and to the state of Gujarat and to this great country, India, as we go forward. Jai Hind, Jai Gujarat.